friends, TUXX here. You know, the holidays are coming up super fast, and I'm always looking for unique and really cool gifts. And this is something really amazing here. This is a box from Lotus Bliss store. And if you're not familiar, Lotus Bliss store is a store which is founded by 3 Feng Shui masters, okay? And they're specializing in making amazing jewelry and things to enhance your life, okay? If you're not familiar with the store, here, let me pull my little laptop over here and just show you real quick. They have some really amazing, beautiful jewelry and different things. And I will have a link for this website right below, so be sure and click that link to get some amazing holiday gifts for you or for someone you love, okay? But tell you what, this box here is a complete mystery, so I have no idea what to expect. It's really a unique green package here, so we're going to open this right now and see what's in the box. Now, first off, I have to say they did an amazing job of packing. Like, I always worry about things making it to me safely, that kind of thing. But this is a very cool, very waterproof looking green package covering this box. So kudos to them for doing some amazing packing and making sure this makes it to me in one piece good. Because UPS can sometimes be kind of brutal, or FedEx, you know. But these guys take care of you, which is really cool. Let me go ahead. I'm not even sure which way this opens here. Let's see here. This is like the coolest blind box I think I've ever had in this channel. Let's see here. We'll keep clipping, and boy, there is a lot to take in here as far as the clipping part goes. Now, I know these guys specialize in some really cool types of jewelry, things like, you know, different types of quartz crystals, amethyst, and different types of stones. So I'm hoping maybe I might have something with a quartz crystal in here, and we'll check it out, or maybe some amethyst. Those are my 2 favorite ones. Let's go ahead and, oh wow, check that out. That is some great packing. Definitely loving it. Wow, they did above and beyond. And here's our box. We'll just rip into this like a kid at Christmas time. I am so excited, guys. What do you think's in the box? It has a, wow, it has a really pleasant smell. It smells like maybe there's some kind of like cologne or perfume or something on it. Wow, I did not expect that. Inside the box, you can see this is wrapped up really nicely. This is probably a bag from their store, I'm guessing. It looks like there's a handle back here, but love the way it's like so insulated and waterproof. They did a great job packing. So again, kudos to them. Inside here, we have a little mystery box. What did the Feng Shui masters get for me? Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little clippy here and open this up. Oh boy, what could be inside, guys? Let's check it out. Whoa, there's a lot of stuff in here. We got a little packing here, and we have a bag. That feels heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, this is beautiful, guys. I don't even know what to expect from this. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna get this out of the way here, and we'll give this a little more clippy. I have to say this is really well packed. Besides having, you know, a cardboard box and the green insulated box, it comes very nicely packed and bubble wrapped, so you know you're gonna get your parcel nice and safe. So that's excellent. We'll go ahead and give this some more clippies here. Trying to be real careful. I don't want to cut anything. Here we go. Boy, this is beautiful. Think of how great this would be like for Christmas, or, you know, under the tree, or to make a great birthday gift, or, you know, heck, Valentine's Day is coming up too. So all sorts of reasons to give jewelry. Very cool stuff. All right, so here, first off, wow, there's like 4 gifts in this blind box. That is amazing, guys. Look at the different packages. We have kind of a velvety bag, and we have 3 different boxes here to open up for you today. So really cool stuff. And look at the quality of these boxes. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the bag, and I think this might just be a bag like from the store. Yeah, so check it out. Oh yeah, here we go. So it has the official Lotus Bliss emblem on it. It has a nice green, very soothing, love green. Oh man, it's so soft to the touch. It's like a nice velvety bag with a Lotus Bliss logo and the name there, Lotus Bliss store. So very cool stuff. And it has a cool little tie here too. So I guess that's for tying it shut. You can cinch it shut in the top, but very good quality. You can tell a good quality store by the bags they use. Honestly, like stores that give you like a premium bag, I always get an extra good feeling from that. So that's awesome. Thanks, guys, for the very cool little bag here. And we have 3 little boxes now to check out. And let's see, which one should we open first here? Boy, yeah, I think I'm gonna save this one, the gold one, for last here. Maybe we'll go by size. What do you think? 1, 2, 3? All right, let's go ahead and do this. So we have 3 boxes here to unbox. Let me get my scissors out of the way. And we'll start with this one here. What could it be? Look at the packaging. This is such good quality, guys. Amazing. This would just make such a great gift. And it has good amount of weight too. There's something cool in here. I can tell. I can kind of hear it. All right, let's go ahead and open up this satiny, smooth, cool, minty green package. And inside here, oh, look at that. That is beautiful. The package itself is very nice jewelry package. We have Lotus Bliss on the top here. Nice satin feel to it. Very cool. Look at that gemstone. Oh my gosh. That is sweet. This is so beautiful, guys. I hope the camera is really capturing this beautiful green fluorite stone necklace. If you're not familiar, people believe that green fluorite stone has several different health benefits that are associated with promoting emotional healing, mental clarity, and energy cleansing, okay? The stone resonates with the heart chakra, promoting love, compassion, and harmony. And many people find it helpful reducing anxiety, too, and restoring emotional balance and ensuring focus. But the main thing, it's a beautiful necklace, Look at the craftsmanship in this. I'm going to pull this out here. Loving the way that looks. Look at that. That is authentic, guys. This is amazing. Let me pull this out here. And I'll show you a little bit of the string. So you can see very beautiful. Has a nice little clench here at the end. So you can tighten it or shorten it. Very good quality. Look at that. That is amazing, guys. Super soft to go around your neck. And the main thing, look at that beautiful green fluorite stone. Beautiful cut. I love the way it looks, kind of like a little tooth or something. Very, very cool. Nice edges. Wow. I'm really at a loss, guys. That is just absolutely beautiful. And the fact it goes around with the heart chakra is excellent as well. Loving the little gold touch here. Little blue in there. Nice and balanced. Just really a beautiful example. Wow. And this is the first one of 3. Oh my gosh. But this could just make an amazing gift for somebody or for yourself too, Think about it. If you need some extra focus, emotional healing, clarity, it's a beautiful piece of jewelry to begin with, and it has great other benefits as well too. Love the way the centerpiece here is actually, there's a little gold loop here going around the center part, so it definitely has some mobility to it, so it can sit very nicely. It won't get bunched up on you, but that is an absolutely stunning necklace, guys. Wow, I'm so happy to get this. Looking at our second box here, this is absolutely beautiful. Again, loving the green look to it. Very satiny, very good quality. Love the gold edges to it. This would just make an amazing gift. And I haven't even opened it yet, but I'm so excited, guys. Let's go ahead and see what we have in here. We're going to crack this open here. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's a little surprise here. A little extra packing. Extra packing is always a good thing. Whoa, look at that. There is a lot going on here. Loving it, guys. Let's get a close look at this. So what we have here, guys, is a clear quartz yellow Jambara corn knot bracelet, okay? And this really, besides looking beautiful, obviously it's stunning, all this going on here, but basically it combines 2 powerful energies. The clear quartz, okay, which is, of course, the master healer. Amplifies energy. It boosts the immune system. It clears negative energy, and it connects with the crown chakra, which is basically creates extra intuition and spiritual growth, which is great. And that combined with a yellow jambara, the corn knot, is for wealth and compassion. It's a symbol of prosperity. It removes poverty and obstacles, encourages generosity, and has some protective energies as well. So very cool. It's a great combination. And just, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and pull this out and take a look at this. Love the way, again, this packaging is absolutely stunning. AAA. We're going to open this up here and take a look. You can kind of see the back here. Make sure we're not missing any little pieces. And look at that. That is absolutely beautiful, guys. We got the clear quartz here. Lots of great little pieces. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Very cool, guys. Loving little braids. This is just a beautiful little piece of jewelry. Love that little leather around there. That is the most amazing thing, guys. I'm so proud to have this part of my collection. That is awesome. And think of how amazing this would be for a gift for somebody. Oh my gosh. Holidays, Valentine's Day, guys, coming up real soon. Beautiful, beautiful piece. I am beyond impressed. Beautiful, beautiful jewelry. It's art you can wear. I mean, think of how great this would be for yourself or for a gift for someone for the holidays. I mean, honestly, I'm seriously blown away, guys. And we have one more to go. Check it out. This one here, the third one. Beautiful gold package. Loving the blue accent. Lots of blue around here. Looks royal. We have like a little pearl latch here to clasp onto the bottom. And you didn't even know where the bottom at all. Beautiful blue soft touch. Very, very cool. Lots to appreciate in this awesome package. This is like the best blind boxes ever, guys. Let's go ahead and open this one up and see what we have inside the box. We're going to lift this up here. We'll take out the packing. We got the Lotus Bliss logo right there. Soft blue, very nice. And oh, look at that pendant. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, guys. Look at that. This particular piece here promotes compassion and protection, healing, mental clarity, wisdom and insight, and wealth and abundance. It's just a beautiful piece, guys. Let me pull it out here and show you. Look at this. We'll check out the front and the back. Oh man, it has some good amount of weight to it. Feels beautiful. It's very texturized around all the corners. You can see it's not just like flat gold. Every little corner of this is beautifully crafted. Look at that. And the actual band itself, look, there's all sorts of things going on here. Beautiful little accents, little beads. This is a beautiful braided cord. You guys know I love braided cords. Beautiful. And the end here, nice little tassels for you. Just extraordinary piece. Absolutely beautiful. It'll make a wonderful gift for you or for someone else. But wow, just amazing craftsmanship, guys. Absolutely stunning. To recap, this has been an amazing blind box experience with Lotus Bliss. They make amazing jewelry that can help heal as well as be fashionable. All sorts of cool going on here. Boy, I don't even know where to start, guys. Like, normally I try and pick a favorite at the end of the videos, but I honestly can't. If you have a favorite, let me know what your favorite is down below, but they're all beautiful in their own ways. I mean, this one, I love everything going on. You guys know I love quartz crystals. So much going on. Beautiful. Nice braid to it. Amazing. This one here, the stone itself, such a beautiful cut, and the band is beautiful too, with the little gold accents and the loop, just so beautiful. And this one, oh my gosh, the detail and precision that's went into this beautiful piece, just extraordinary, guys. All three of them winners, definitely. If you guys have anyone that you are looking to get gifts for, something unique, Lotus Bliss store would be amazing. And of course, I'll have a link for you in the description down below. So be sure and click that link. If you have any questions about Lotus Bliss, please reach out to me, tuxtoys@gmail.com. You know I'm here to help, okay? I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And again, if you have any questions, just let me know, okay? We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.